Yes, we have with us a special guest, Colonel Arun Sharma, Senior General Manager, HR for Fomento Group. Put your hands together. Along with the marketing in charge of Prudent Media, Laksharaj Shetty, and also sports editor Neeraj Prabhu. Two teams have lined up there on the crease. And first starting with Gumteshwar Margaon. Matin Khan, Junaid Sheikh, Sarvanna, Gurushant, Vasu Ambekar, Navnath Naik, Viraj Gaude, Akshay, Prashant Naik, Dada Pir Talwar, Mahmood Sheikh, Gauss Sheikh and Naresh Asoldekar. In the SK Joggings, Rajdeep Kudalkar, Pundalik Rakesh, Sandesh Pandre, Nihal Mandrekar, Mahesh Pawar, Shubham Jha, Danish Aute, Rabbani Sheikh, Pritesh Kurgaonkar, Shailesh Kurgaonkar, Siddesh Gadekar, Saish Naik, Manoj Choprekar and Mahesh Kurgaonkar. So that's the lineup for SK Joggings. Ten overs of the match. A steady single from Sarvanna as well. Look at the beauty of this batsman. Rotating the strike with singles edge and trying to just get settled down, trying to just feel the ball, trying to get the judgment right. Right approach from Gumteshwar Margaon, and a fantastic coming from Margaon. They won a lot of tournaments. A champion side from South Goa, Margaon. Oh, good looking shot. That's in the gap. The ball is racing away and will win it. That's a cracking beauty. So that boundary brings an end to the very first over. After the completion of one, our score is 9 for no loss. And this match is live on Prudent TV, Goa's #1 news channel. News and infotainment channel, Prudent Media. Every year they are organizing a tournament. Last year it was Gino Prudent Cup T20, which was played at GC Academy ground. So actively participating in the sporting activity. Heads off to the team working behind the curtains of Prudent Media. To begin this second over, it's Rakesh Kurgaonkar on the bowling mark from River Mandivi end to Sarvanna. Shot of length, wanted to play it away. No good timing, but still will have a single run for him. And this single run taking the score up to 10 runs. They believe in slow and steady wins the race. In going slow but waiting for the right opportunity. Anything short of length, half volley, juicy full toss, they will go bang. A little bit of bad intentionally did that. Good hands on the ball. Look at how swift and how beautifully he works it out. Viraj, that shows he's such in a sublime form. A great batter of Gumteshwar Margaon. Gives a flying start, gives a steady start to the team. Sarvanna, Mr. Reliable. Slow one, good change of pace from Rakesh Kurgaonkar, but played with a soft handle. Played with full respect. Played for a single. So every ball there is a rotation of the strike, converting every ball into a single run. Maybe just trying to play the 10 overs, every ball a good ball. Oh, slightly rising delivery, bit of a rise in that delivery, vicious rise that literally took Viraj by surprise. What a contest this is. A cracker of a contest between these two talented teams battling it out here. One coming from North, another one coming from South Goa. Oh, lovely shot. There's a fielder. Just maybe finger. So completion of 5 overs and the score moving up to 37 runs. Change in the commentary. Over to Saidat Kamath. 37 for 3.
And the bowler was just looking at the umpire. The excitement level always remains on top, because you know this is the big final of such a wonderful tournament. Goes again, and it's a so 90 comes up. They are just 9 runs away from 100. 91. Gone. So couple of wickets in quick succession, and this will bring up the end of the first innings of this big final. Managed to score. Gumteshwar from Margao have managed to score 93 for 8. Is they need to chase 94 in 10 overs with all wickets in their hand.
To score 94 runs. Once again, Grushant, lovely line, good bowling. He's a wonderful bowler and looks like exactly Kagiso Rabada. And he's very famous in Goa, and every commentator is calling him Kagiso Rabada. The way he looks like of Proteas, South Africa.
जी हाँ, एक बात तो यहाँ पे काबिल तारीफ है कि जिस तरह से पहली ओवर की गेंदबाजी यहाँ पे चालू है, तो शायद दबाव ज़रूर बन चुका होगा बैट्समैन के ऊपर, और धीमे गति से अभी तक जो बल्लेबाजी के प्रदर्शन हमें देखने को मिल रहा है. फिलहाल बहुत ओवर्स हाथ में है, विकेट्स हाथ में है, लेकिन अपने समझदारी के साथ अगर खेला जाए तो ये जो रन्स है वो उतने भी मुश्किल नज़र नहीं आ रहे.
Absolutely, what they need here is a partnership which will help the team get back to the total of 94 runs.
बहुत ही अच्छी गेंद, कट कर दिया उसे, और वहाँ पे फील्डर मौजूद. 1 रन इस गेंद पे ज़रूर मिलेगा, और शायद जैसे कि हम बात कर रहे थे, पार्टनरशिप बनाने की बहुत ज़रूरत है, और इसी के साथ जो दोनों बल्लेबाज है वो पिच पे खेल रहे होंगे, और उनको शायद ये पता भी होगा कि हमारी पार्टनरशिप इस इनिंग के लिए कितनी ज़रूरी है.
Absolutely, yes, Sachin, and what a perfect line has been maintained by Grushant. He got lucky, he picked up a wicket and played straight to the mid-off fielder, and the mid-off fielder making no mistake, Sarvanna. A little bit of fumble there, but he's in control of the ball. Boom, boom. Junaid completion of the first over, 5 for the loss of 1.
बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट उछाल दिया उसे हवा में, लेकिन वहां पे फील्डर मौजूद और बाल बाल बचे। यहां पे 1 रन जरूर मिलेगा, लेकिन रबाडा के हाथ से ये कैच छूटते हुए और एक जीवनदान यहां पे मिलते हुए बैट्समैन
जी
को।
बिल्कुल सचिन, और एक तालमेल नहीं था वहां पे, कॉल होना चाहिए था कि इट्स माइन, मैं पकड़ूंगा इसे, तो इसीलिए थोड़ी नाराज। फिर से एक बार हवा में खेल दिया, वहां पर फील्डर मौजूद सरवन्ना का ये दूसरा कैच होगा और बिल्कुल पकड़ लिया, चिपकाई लो फेविकॉल से वाला कैच।
इस बार कोई चूक नहीं वहां पे, और फिर एक बार और एक फील्डर।
सचिन ऐसे लग रहा है कि सरवन्ना जो है काफी सारा फेविकॉल हाथों में लगा कर आए हैं।
जी हाँ,
ये उनका
बहुत ही अच्छी गेंद उसे प्लेस कर दिया और फील्डर वहां पे मौजूद। 1 रन का इजाफा इस वक्त अपने खाते में करते हुए।
बिल्कुल दूसरी ओवर प्रगति पर, और जो गेंदबाज है उनका नाम है अक्षय, उन्हें सीधे साधे अक्षय के नाम से जाने जाते हैं। नाम है अक्षय मगर दिखते हैं अजय देवगन, मगर काफी अच्छी गेंदबाजी में माहिर।
बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का प्रदर्शन यहाँ पे, और जैसे आपने कहा था कि नाम है अक्षय, दिखते हैं अजय देवगन की तरफ से।
इसी बीच सटीक गेंदबाजी, देखिए लाइन की तारीफ करनी होगी, कोई मौका नहीं। जब आप बल्लेबाज को रूम नहीं देते तो वो बूम नहीं कहता बल्ले से। सटीक गेंदबाजी, 2 ओवर की समाप्ति, 10 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर, और अंपायर ने कहा ओवर।
क्या बात है। बहुत सारे किस्से गोवा में, तो बहुत सारे किस्से ऐसे हैं हमारे प्लेयर्स के जिन्होंने कुछ अपना ही रिकॉर्ड बनाया है, अपना ही अलग रिकॉर्ड बनाया है। अच्छा, सूझबूझ के साथ खेल रहे थे, अभी कुछ बड़े शॉट्स लगाने की कोशिश भी नहीं करे, तो और बॉलर की भी एक दाद देनी पड़ेगी कि क्योंकि कोई रूम्स नहीं दे रहे कोई बड़ा शॉट्स खेलने के लिए।
बिल्कुल, अब चौथे ओवर की शुरुआत, और विराज इनकी मैं क्या बात करूं कि अच्छे ऑलराउंडर हैं विराज, अच्छी बल्लेबाजी अच्छी गेंदबाजी के लिए जाने जाते हैं, जैसे कि यह एक ऑलराउंडर परफॉर्मर हैं, और ज़्यादातर गोमतेश्वर मारगांव में ऑलराउंडर परफॉर्मर्स हैं जो बेहतरीन खेल का नमूना पेश करते हैं। और जैसा कि आपने सही कहा, एक टीम आ रही है मारगांव एक्सट्रीम साउथ से और एक नॉर्थ से यानी कि मापसा से, और मुकाबला हो रहा है पेंजिम में। हल्के हाथों से खेला, 1 रन की ओर दौड़ पड़े, 1 रन के साथ स्कोर में इजाफा, स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 18 रन।
Indian Oil brings to you All Goa Prudent Tennis Cricket Tournament for पंचायत एंड म्यूनिसिपैलिटी लेवल, जो 27 मई और आज 31 मई तक, आज 31 मई को फाइनल आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे एट SAG ग्राउंड कंपाल, ऑल्सो सपोर्टेड बाय नित्यानंद स्पोर्ट्स, ट्रॉफीज एंड बॉल स्पॉन्सर एंड क्रिकेट बैट फॉर मैन ऑफ द मैच फॉर फाइनल्स, दिल्ली दरबार रिफ्रेशमेंट पार्टनर, फॉस्टर्स बेवरेज पार्टनर्स, थलाउलिकल इलेक्ट्रिकल्स, प्राइज फॉर मैन ऑफ द सीरीज 40-inch LED TV। बहुत ही अच्छी गेंद और खेल दिया उसे, 1 रन यहां पे जरूर मिलेगा।
Always wins the match, and you can just look at it here. Good looking shot, and it's a huge six.
And the indication is very clear, the ball is just hanging right in front of all the guests. It means the message is very clear, they're going to take the finals.
Goes again, and this time he misses it because was trying to go after it, misses it completely. And both these sides, SK Jogging and Ghumteshwar, one will be the winner, one is going to be the runner-up, but we have to understand that both these sides were equally good enough in this tournament. India, one bounce all the way. It's a boundary, muscular boundary, and SK Jogging strike. And every time when DJ plays Dekh Ghuma Ke, they also says, "Are Baba, हमने तो दिया है घुमा के."
Absolutely right, Saidat, and they have to speed up. And once again, the ball is up in there and finds the fielder beneath. He takes the catch. The ball is right down the throat of the. Rakhu Korgaonkar is the new man walked in.
So the last ball coming up, and Gumteshwar, they are in readiness to celebrate it. What's it going to be? Well, it can be anything. It doesn't matter. Gumteshwar,
Congratulations, champions of.
big congratulations, and the celebrations begins.
Hello and welcome back to the Sports Authority of Goa ground at Kampal. We have witnessed the finals of Indian Oil Prudent All Goa Tennis Ball Cricket Tournament. The match was played between Gumteshwar Warriors Madgaon and SK Jogging from Kanka. So the team from South Goa has prevailed over the team from North Goa. Batting first, Gumteshwar Warriors put on a good score of 93 for the loss of 8 wickets in the allotted 10 overs. In reply, SK Jogging fell short by 27 runs as they were restricted to 66 for the loss of 7 wickets. It's time now to welcome the dignitaries for this presentation ceremony, and we will welcome them with floral bouquets. And the man who played the key knock today in the final is Navnath Naik of Gumteshwar Warriors. The prize will be presented by Dattesh Priyorkar from Nityanand. Navnath, please come up and collect your prize. Really played well today. Well done. Final, खूप प्रेशर आशिल्लो. कशें दिसलें? एन्जॉय केलें बॅटिंग?
खुबसो प्रेशर आशिल्लो. फायनल मॅच आशिल्ली. सगळ्यांक खबर आसता की फायनल मॅचाचेर प्रेशर आसता आनी आमची जे ओपनर आशिल्ले बरो स्टार्ट दिल्लो आनी 10 ओवर्स मॅचीस आमी रेगुलरी खेळना, सो डबल मायंड आशिल्ले मारपाचे का ना म्हण सेट जावप मातसो टायम घेतलो आनी एन्जॉय केले.
Well, the best bowler prize goes to Gurushant Chikhalegi of Gumteshwar Warriors Madgaon again. Gurushant, I think he's nicknamed as Rabada, if I'm not mistaken. The best batsman of the tournament, Gumteshwar Warriors, is Mateen Khan. Now the big one. It's the prize for the man of the series. It's Nihal Mandrekar of SK Jogging. Really well done. Request Shanta Durga Cricketers representative to come up and collect their check of rupees 15,000 for being the losing semi-finalists. Shanta Durga Cricketers representative does not seem to be here. Morzai have their representative here, and you can collect the check of rupees 15,000 from Laksharaj Shetye, in charge of marketing Prudent Media. We have the trophies for the best bowler and best batsman, alas Kagiso Rabada. The man of the series, Nehal, can I please request you again to come up and collect your trophy, and Dattesh Priyorkar of Nityanand Sports will present the man of the series trophy. Well done, Nihal, once again. So now it's time to come up to the second last prize of the evening, and it's the runners-up prize of rupees 50,000. SK Jogging captain and vice captain can come up and collect your runners-up trophy, and we hope he goes on to bigger things in the umpiring world. आज जाऊंक ना तुमचे बरे बॅटिंग डिपार्टमेंटान मातशें कमी पडले, बट ओवरऑल तुमची टीम म्हाका दिसता बरी आसा.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Prudent Media for organizing such a good tournament and giving us opportunity. तू सांगलें की अपसेट तशें अपसेटा बद्दल कांय ना.
ओके,
बॉयज परफॉर्म वेल आणि दे सगळ्यांनी अशें परफॉर्म दिले की 100% दिला तेंच्यांनी.
व्हेरी नायस.
अपसेट जावपाचें कांय ना. दे हॅव प्लेड वेल.
Call on the umpires first, and beginning with Vaman Mayakar, who has helped us a lot in putting together this tournament. And the umpires, please collect your mementos. Technical Sales, Indian Oil, Goa.
Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly a champion.
Complete a successful tournament of 5 days. This hard tennis ball cricket tournament included 32 teams from all parts of Goa, and the best team on show ultimately was Gumteshwar Warriors Madgaon, and they walked away with the cash prize of rupees 1 lakh and a beautiful glittering trophy. SK Jogging were the team that finished second. They were also equally good, clinching the big purse of rupees 50,000 as the runners-up, and we are really happy about the successful completion of this tournament. Keep watching Prudent for further news and updates, and it's bye from me, Neeraj Prabhu, now from here from the SAG ground at Kampal. Goodbye for now.